What's going on YouTube? This is another update on my 2003 Insight. Cleaning this car up, kind of bringing it back to life. First one I talked about the exterior and got the seats back in and the carpet's all dry. Came out looking really good. Really good. So still have some little cleanup to do, but I'm real happy with how these came out. Bolster's perfect on the driver's side. Couple little spots I need to hit with the steam cleaner, but otherwise it really looks beautiful in there. I'm doing a tune-up now, just changed the oil and filter, and interesting thing happened. I also changed the transmission fluid, and something that's never happened to me happened. The drain bolt snapped in half. So here it is. I was turning it out and pop! This popped right out and fluid went everywhere. Fortunately, I had my drain near, so I was able to catch most of it. But this sucker just cracked off right inside of there. So I was able to get a screwdriver, thankfully, easily, and just turn it right the rest of the way out. And I just happened to have the perfect size bolt and crush washer. So I'm really thankful that that happened. I had some Honda washers sitting around from back from my Prelude days that fit perfectly to use as a crush washer, which was awesome, and filled it up with Honda MTF. Where is that stuff? So it's got fresh MTF in it, and I also changed the oil. I used Royal Purple 0W20, which is the good stuff, and I'll show you that new bolt right over here. So that was fortunate because I was starting to cuss when all that went down, but I got lucky. And there's dirt from where I splattered fluid, but there's the new bolt, perfect size, and a crush washer, and of course right up there's the drain bolt. And then the oil is changed, and I have a new filter. And so now I am working on topping off other fluids, and just took the EGR valve and plate off, sprayed some cleaner through this rectangle, and used a wire right there. What you do, I don't know, maybe I can do a quick how-to. Once you take all this off, which is super easy, it takes just a few minutes, you stick a wire through here and you just push it in there, and it'll go a good long ways. And you can do the same thing with this passage right here. And so you just push it in there and work all this carbon out, all that stuff, and eventually you'll be able to spray. Well, heck, let's just do it. And you can spray through here and it will come out there. And then you want to just take a little screwdriver like this one pictured here and just clean all that off as much as you can. And then this thing was totally gunked up with carbon, and I spent a good bit of time cleaning it out with some steel wool, my little screwdriver, plenty of brake cleaner, and then I'm about to do the same thing to the EGR valve, and then put it all back together. So gonna look at the plugs, the air filter, of course, and then fresh 12 volt probably, charge the IMA battery, and see what happens. So that'll be the next few weeks, but I'm about at a stopping point today. I think I'm just gonna leave this and go inside. I gotta do some stuff tonight, so I'm kind of tired of sweating out here, but that's where we are. Got a real nice cleaning done, fluids changed, and that is where we're at with the 03 Insight. I'll be back with more to come. All right, thanks for watching.